So this is how it works. So if I'm going to get one can, how's it going, mga Repa Pips? Or how's it going, mga Repa Pips? Just want to share with you a video about organizing your what do you call this, sodas or pop in cans, because I just recalled that I bought this soda cans organizer, and then I just thought of using this one right now because we have friends coming over. I realized that we need to organize our fridge. I bought this actually 3 or 4 months ago, and I haven't used it yet. So now you're in for a treat, and then I'm gonna show you on how you are going to organize your cans. So I haven't opened this one yet, and I forgot where I bought this. Maybe in Amazon or maybe in Temu. I'll figure that out later on. But I'm pretty sure you could buy this in Amazon as well for sure. I suggest buying in Amazon because it's well, if you want a faster delivery, it's in Amazon. In Temu, it's cheaper, but it's gonna take around 1 to 2 weeks. But anyways, I'm not gonna talk about that, but I'm gonna talk about this can organizer that I bought. And I'm just gonna open that. I'm just gonna get my scissors or blade. So I already got my blade here. So if you're gonna use your blade, make sure it's you're using it safely. So I'm gonna open it now. And I hope this one works because I still don't know if this one really works, because I'm pretty sure that I bought this at a cheaper price. Okay, there. And so it's opening. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. All right, so here it is. It's more of a plastic actually. It has bubble wrap. Keep your bubble wraps. You'll use that later on. You can use that soon. You'll thank me for it. And this here it is. So I'm just gonna get some soda cans so that I'll show it to you on how does it work. I'm pretty sure it will work. All right, so we bought these cans of Canada Dry from Costco. These, I think this is just around $16 plus taxes and then plus deposit, maybe around $21, more or less. So I just want to organize this one because if you're gonna open our fridge, it's not even organized. Come, I'll show you portion of our fridge. So what I'm planning is I am going to put that one over there, and then we already have cans of beers over here, and this is for the vegetables. So just put it there because if you're gonna look at our fridge, actually it's really unorganized. So for us to organize our cans for the sodas, I'm gonna use this one right now. So this is how you're going to do it. So I'm just gonna pick some cans. So let's see how many cans would it fit. So I guess it's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cans. So this is how it works. So if I'm going to get one can, it will roll down, and then you'll refill it, and then go down, it will refill. Oh, this is fun. Okay, so it's organized. So okay, so that's it. So I guess that's a fun way to organize your fridge. And now we are going to put this inside. So let's see. Right, so there you go. Oh, there's some beer at the back. Okay, there. And oh, we do have some void space here, but that's okay. So if I'm going to put, oh, what happened? Yeah, Oh, what happened? Why? Okay, let's see. Oh, there. It rolled. Oh, nice. Okay. A nice way to organize your beer. I guess I need to buy more of these so that I'll organize my beer. So, if you have any questions about this, and then if you have any comments about this, just put it in the comment section below, and then we'll discuss over there. And yeah, so that's it.